Hello, my YouTube friend. You guys have always said you wanted to tour the store, so here I am warping through it. Woohoo! So New York Comic Con is next week. I'm really excited for it, and for the last week, I've been running around a mile each night in my shop just to build up my stamina and my energy so I could do a ton of filming and have a ton of fun at New York Comic Con. And I always wanted to do a big video where I just did the entire floor of New York Comic Con, where I walked throughout the entire con. And when I saw that the new GoPro Hero 7 had this cool Timewarp feature where it's like stabilized and it's time-lapse, I thought, oh man, this would be super awesome. I gotta get this. I can finally do that video that I've wanted to do for years. So here I am running around like a fool through my store, doing my hour training, testing out my GoPro. I think the feature is pretty awesome looking. I cannot wait to play with it some more. The regular camera features, it's a little bit, you know, you have to set the settings a lot more than the Hero 5 that I had. It's kind of like the Hero 6, where I wasn't 100% happy with it right away. But I messed around with the settings all day, and I kind of figured out the best settings for filming my Funko Pop wall and doing my hauls. So I'll probably be using the camera because it does look better. So I cannot wait to do more hauls. I got so many more hauls I gotta get through from the last few weeks. It's gonna be a ton of fun using this new camera and getting so much footage from the cons. I'm gonna have a lot of fun going through all 4 days filming everything possible. I'll probably buy a ton of stuff again because I did last year. And I'm going to be hunting for those really cool old vintage things and definitely trying to get those Funko Pops one way or another. With some of the industry passes, I can't win the lottery, so I can't get in the line till the end of the day. But I'm hoping this year there's not as many super limited pops, so I'm able to get everything I want. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!